Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am cleaning my 7 and 4-year-old girl's room. And guys, I don't know how this room gets so messy. I clean it all the time, but it turns into this. But today guys, I have lots of cleaning motivation for you, so keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this one. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell and click on all to get all notifications of when I upload my videos. I am a mom of 3 little girls and I like to upload cleaning videos, cooking videos, and just regular daily vlogs. I also homeschool. So I do have some homeschool videos on this channel as well. So be sure to subscribe.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am gold, I'm golden.
So guys, I purchased this vacuum cleaner from Amazon for barely $30. I don't even think I paid $20 for it. It was really cheap. I actually used a coupon that I got on it, so it's really cheap. And you know what? It's not going to do the job of a regular vacuum cleaner, but it is really good. It worked that day in their room. So if you have $20, I would say purchase it. Don't throw away your regular vacuum cleaner. But if you just need to pick up something, you have kids or you have pets and you just need to quickly pick up something, I would definitely recommend it. I'm going to leave all of the information in the description box below, so be sure to check that out.
Deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes. City dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really
So this video was recorded back in January when I was taking down the Christmas tree, and my girls, they told me, Mom, we really like the tree because I do use it as a nightlight for them. So because they still like the tree and Christmas was over, I decided to turn the tree into a Valentine's tree, and then I'm gonna try to decorate it every month, something new, something different, and we'll see how that goes. This is the first time I'm trying that out. If you guys are interested to just see the tree and what I come up with every month, let me know down below and I will definitely record it.
Let's go. Are you ready? You've been staring since I came in. I know you wanna get to know me. But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong girl. I bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Boy, you better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine.
Okay guys, so we are coming towards the end of the video. This is what their room looks like. I think I did a pretty good job on the Valentine's Day tree. I actually got everything from the Dollar Tree if you are interested, and that's where I plan to get all of my decorations for their year-round tree decorations. But anyways, guys, this is the room. I hope you got all the cleaning motivation that you needed. And if you're new here again, don't forget to subscribe. If you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys.